These are all I fried spinach leaves and 4 pieces leaves of clam or Chinese pichay. Now we can taste it. Taste is enough, and also we try also this one clam or Chinese pichay. Very crunchy. Our organic spinach or palak, they call it hair palak. And this is Chinese pichay. So this one I have to wash and then I will cook this one. So watch nyo na lang kung anong gagawin ko dito. But I will choose what is a big one. And this also I will try also even 3 pieces leaves. I have these ingredients. This is graham flour or basin. This one we are using for cooking pakora. You can use also rice flour or all-purpose flours. So, but I will use this one. And this green chilies and salt and water. So, we'll put here. I think this is enough. Because I will make only this one. I already washed this one and 4 pieces leaves of what you call this gram or Chinese pichay. So we mix this one and then water. Put more little water. Before also, last year I tried to cook this, but another kind of leaves, radish leaves. But this one, this is my first time also, and this one also is peanuts. First time to fry this spinach. Last year I fried this, what you call this, radish leaves. It's very tasty and crunchy. So by this time we have available already spinach. So I try this one and also this gram. So we add more water here. Still not enough. Consistency must be like pancake. Like this, it's like pancake. Now we have to put now this one here. Like that. Now oil is already hot. Now we can fry now this one. Use this ipit. And this is more here. And this is last. So this is already I cooked. Now we have to try if it's crunchy. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Very crunchy. This is last spinach leaves. And this is Chinese pichay or clam. Masarap din pala itong spinach leaves na fried at saka itong Chinese pichay o kaya clam. And then yung last year na fried ko na radish leaves, masarap din. Very crunchy din. So, masarap pala ito. Ayan, oh. Pang, ano, pang... Pwede nyo ito isaw-saw sa, ano, sa ketchup. Junk foods. Tama lang yung asin niya. And then mild spicy because I add some chili powder. Now, try natin ano, sausaw sa ketchup. Masarap din kahit walang ketchup. Super crunchy. Chinese pichay. Ilang nga pakainin ko. Sarap. Pag may alokbati kayo, piliin nyo din yung malalaki ang dahon. Gayahin nyo din na ganito, ipiprito nyo. Masarap na ano, chichirya, parang ano, junk foods.